Ho, 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 where is the land? Jingle jangle. Are you done? Okay. Story time.
Oh, yeah.
Make a story one word at a time.
No, this one's hard.
Don't do this.
Then this is story time, one word at a time. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Right. The
present.
I'm not doing this. I'm gonna try to see if I can get it.
Yes!
Jingle jangle.
Whoa.
Yes!
Yes, change the rule!
Whoa.
You're a nightmare.
Whoa.
That's what he was thinking the whole time.
Somehow you're still playing sniper chess.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
That was wild.
I'm not doing
move?
And I wanted to know what was happening with the present.
What happened?
Jingle jangle is still there, but now
Yeah, you know
we all have to talk like Santa Claus.
that's what you think Santa Claus sounds like?
Yes, we have to talk like Santa Claus.
Santa.
That was insane.
Santa needs help
Oh, we
getting out
have to
of
talk
bed.
like Santa. We have to talk like Santa. Oh, we have to talk like
Santa is in pain.
It is your turn.
Jingle jangle! Jingle jangle!
Santa should not be driving.
Choose a player to copy your action!
Your copycat's gone.
Oh. Which means, Noah, you're gonna get this. Every time I go like that.
Okay. Oh, I love it.
Oh, jingle jangle.
If I just do this all the time, am I safe?
Oh, I am now Moose Master.
What does that mean again?
Oh, we've played this every time.
Oh, that's Courtney.
Oh, this no is gone. What happened?
Now
The
you
no
have
is
a
gone, and
personal
now,
rule.
He gives you a
now I get to declare.
That's not Santa.
Yes, it is.
That's so familiar.
That's
It's
a
Robert
military
Goulet
Santa.
Santa.
What's going on?
Courtney,
This isn't Santa!
This is not
yes,
Santa.
this is what Santa sounds like.
Oh,
This is Courtney. You have to act like you're drunk too.
Shit.
Now she's just mall Santa.
She's the most accurate Santa of all.
Noah.
Whose turn is it?
It's yours, maybe. I don't know.
Got your ass.
I said it's yours, maybe I don't know.
Improv 101.
Okay, fine. Jingle jangle.
Got your ass. What happened to the present? I really want to know how that story was going to end.
Did she say jingle jangle?
Starring Holly Hunter. Yes, I did.
Okay.